So in terms of compliance and safety, we always at the forefront of making sure all of the equipment in the various sectors complies with the safety regulations that we need to adhere to as a company. And this really goes across the entire globe, as we're involved with customers from America, South America, the Far East, Middle East. So we really have to make sure that we're on top of our game. We've got several directors at CDS who are always ensuring that the internal processes that we follow comply with regulations, and that all of the equipment is satisfactorily marked for the market that the equipment is going into.